Good day everyone. Today we are going to present EcoFresh Bottled Water LLC. This presentation will provide an overview of our company, core values and quality management processes as per ISO standards. EcoFresh Bottled Water LLC aims to provide high quality, sustainable bottled water. We focus on health, sustainability and customer satisfaction. EcoFresh is committed to delivering pure, safe, and eco-friendly bottled water. We prioritize industry standards, environmental responsibility, and customer trust. Our team ensures that all production processes comply with ISO 9001. We use recyclable bottles to reduce environmental impact. Our quality concern is that our product meets ISO 9001 standards. For the customer-centric approach, we ensure premium service and high customer satisfaction.
Thank you, Sulaiman. And in this slide, I'll talk about the scope. Our operations include water purification, bottling, and distribution. We serve the retail and corporate and hospitality industries. Our focus is on expanding our presence in the UAE and beyond. The company manages included services directly since they fall under the scope of their ISO 9001 QMS. The certification scope of ISO 9001 excludes any services managed by external vendors. Normative references. We comply with ISO standards and other relevant industry regulations. Our quality management system aligns with global benchmarks for safety and excellence. Primary references. Requirements for establishing a process-based method to deliver high-quality products. UAE regulations, UAE Federal Law Number 10 of 2015, and Emirates Authority for Standardization and Metrology, and Dubai Municipality Guidelines. Normative references and other relevant standards. ISO 22000-2018 Food Safety Management System ensures food safety across the entire supply chain and guarantees that bottled water meets hygiene and safety regulations. ISO 14001-2015 Environmental Management System focuses on sustainable practices and reducing environmental impact and supports eco-friendly water production and waste management. ISO 45001-2018 Occupational Health and Safety Management System ensures workplace safety and reduces risks, helps maintain safe working conditions for factory employees.
Thank you, Ali. This is Mariam Sadum. The key terms and their importance. We adhere to initial industry terminology and standards to ensure a clear understanding among stakeholders. Understanding the organization and its context. We analyze internal factors such as strengths and weaknesses. The strengths are: 1. Advanced filtration technology ensure premium water quality. 2. Strong sustainability initiative including biodegradable packaging. 3. Experience management and workforce committed to quality. And the weaknesses are: 1. Market competitions from large well-established brands. 2. there is a need for strong brand recognition and consumer awareness campaigns. 3. Expansion requires significant logistical and infrastructure investments. And the
Thank you, Mariam. I'm Sarah Shuhoumi and I will discuss about understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties. As you can see here in the table, the first column represents our key stakeholders, the second one their expectations or need, and finally their business actions to address the needs. The first key stakeholders are customers, and they expect affordable, high quality and eco-friendly bottled water. Second one are regulators, compliance with ISO 9001, UAE health standards and environmental policies. Third one are the business partners. They expect like the distributors and retailers seeks reliable supply chain and consistent product quality. The last one are employees, and they expect growth opportunities, training, and workplace safety. This slide represents our stakeholder matrix and priority mapping. As you can see in the table, customers and regulators are top priorities, ensuring compliance and market demand. Partners and employees are secondary priority, driving business growth and operational success. In this slide, the table outlines which processes are included within our quality management system and which are excluded or outsourced. The first one is product development. We handled water purification and testing internally, ensuring quality at the source. However, raw material sourcing, particularly spring water acquisitions, is outsourced. Second one is manufacturing. We are directly responsible for bottling and packaging, but the production of plastic bottles is outsourced to external suppliers. Third one is quality control. Our team conduct in-house inspections and compliance checks to maintain standards, but we rely on third-party laboratories for further testing. Fourth point is customer service. We handled compliance and feedback analysis internally, ensuring direct engagement with customers. However, social media management is outsourced to external agencies. Finally, logistics. Our responsibility includes inventory and warehouse management, but transportations and last mile delivery are outsourced to third-party logistics provider. Thank you. Now my colleague Natalie will continue.
Thank you, Sarah, and good evening, everyone. In this slide, we're gonna see the Deming cycle, which is plan, do, check, and act. This cycle talks about the planning, the action, and the execution we are taking, and quality control check and the continuous improvement. In each business, we have to follow this cycle to have higher standards and better understanding of our business. Each business needs to establish a systematic method to manage their quality management system according to clause 4.4 of ISO 9001. It includes that our organization must create concise processes which direct quality control activities to ensure continuous monitoring and improvement via conducting internal audits and taking corrective actions to be able to continuously improve our products. As mentioned in the previous slide about the Deming cycle, we're going to talk about the Deming cycle in our company. At the beginning, we already planned that we're going to open an EcoFresh bottled water company. We set the goals and we start the do step. First step and step 2, we take the water source and we filtrate it and purify it. The water source has to be collected as raw water from approved sources. After that, we use a multi-stage filtration to purify the water and remove the contaminants. The third step, which is a check, it's the quality testing. Quality testing, we just conduct microbial analysis, pH testing, and chemical composition checks. If it doesn't meet the standards of the ISO 9001 and UAE health standards, then we have to acting via repurifying the water and via doing more tests to check that it meets the standards. When the acting finishes, we go to bottling, packaging, labeling and storaging, and then distributing. Bottling uses automated filling and capping process in a sterile environment, sealing and packaging tamper-proof caps and biodegradable bottles to ensure product safety, and then the distribution and logistics, efficient supply chain, ensuring timely and safe delivery. Every stage is an essential requirement for both ISO 9001 certification and the UAE bottled water safety. Quality control strategies operate strictly through the production process to satisfy customers and meet regulatory requirements. In this slide, we're gonna talk about the implementation strategy. Step 1, we have to conduct a gap analysis in week 1. Week 2 to 4, we launch employee training. Week 5 to 7, we begin the process optimization. And week 8 and above, and it's the last step of the procedure, requires an ongoing audit to start following up in week 8. We implement our quality and sustainability goals through structured implementation strategies. This includes investing in research and development, workforce training, and technology enhancement. In conclusion, our company, EcoFresh Bottled Water, is committed to delivering sustainable, high-quality bottled water. Our dedication to customer satisfaction, industry standards, and environmental responsibility set us apart. High-quality sustainable bottled water production in the UAE depends on the ISO 9000 standards. The company should start the certification process for ISO standards while enhancing its quality management systems and plans to expand our operation. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you enjoyed our presentation.